So the other day I was driving along Bundall Road, got caught at some lights, and something made me laugh. A digital marketing agency bought some advertising on the back of a bus, and the headline said, Australia's most flexible marketing agency. And I thought, flexible? Like, what does that even mean? Do they work weekends? Do they change strategy every time a client asks? Can they do the splits? I don't know. But more importantly, how does this help me as a business choose them over another competitor? And this is the problem I see with businesses everywhere. Most companies think they have one. They think they've got a really good value proposition, but all it is like a vague sentence that sounds impressive, but means very little to the customer. Your value proposition should answer one simple question: why should someone choose you instead of your competitors or alternatives? Not what you do and not how passionate you are, but the value you create beyond the transaction. For example, if I told you we offer branded marketing services, that's just talking about the transaction. It tells me nothing about the value. But if I said something like, we help construction companies win larger tenders through strategic brand positioning and high conversion websites, now I understand the customer, the outcome, and the difference. So if you want to do this yourselves, here's a simple framework you can use. We help specific customer, which takes some work sometimes, achieve specific outcome through unique approach. Because when customers clearly understand your value beyond the transaction, beyond just what they're buying, you stop competing on price, because no one wants to compete on price. And you start competing on value, which means better clients, better projects, and a business that finally gets recognized for what it's actually worth. And that, my friends, is when you stop being just another option and start becoming the obvious choice.